When most people hear the words print on demand, the first thing that they think of is t-shirts and hoodies. But most people don't think about the unknown, the hidden, the high profit margin products that exist out there that can be done with print on demand. So today I'm breaking down the top 4 print on demand products that have a high margin that I guarantee you've either never heard about or you did not think could be something that was done with print on demand. And the first high profit print on demand product I have for you today that you might not have even known was a print on demand product is metal wall art. And using my Etsy radar here, which is the extension for Profit Tree, which you are able to get their lifetime plan for only $67 as a flat fee instead of paying for a monthly subscription. And you're able to get a lot more data behind all of these listings and able to spot the best sellers for these. And using my Profit Tree Etsy radar here, I can see some of these listings are making hundreds of sales a month. With the lifetime plan, you also get access to their product finder, the profit tracking as well, again, just for a flat time fee. And if you want to check that out, you can get it in the description below. And you might look at this pricing and think, wow, this person's selling this for $16. That's extremely cheap. Well, the thing with a lot of these high profit margin products, and it just seems to be like on Etsy in general, is people are throwing out prices that they know people aren't actually going to buy that variation. For example, if you take a look at the height, no one is buying this sign for 4 inches large. It's going to be something that they hang on the wall. So they're probably looking at minimum, probably 20 inches. And once you start getting up in the sizes here, they are charging hundreds of dollars for these. There's a few different lesser known print on demand companies that do offer this. The one that I have used and the one that I found the best and for the best pricing personally was T-Launch. And once you get to T-Launch, and I'll just show you the logo up here so you know what to search up, but scrolling down, we're going to use the die cut metal signs. Once you open these, you can see exactly what they look like. You can make these right within Canva, right within Kindle. I used to make these in Canva all of the time, and you can see the different sizing that they have here, 12 inches, 14, all the way up to 36 inches. And if we take a look at the prices here, I just had to log in so the page did change the view a bit because now this is on the inside. But if we take a look at the pricing, the 12 inch starts at $17.25 with the 36 inch going up to $105. And then the shipping does scale up as well. So let's just say the 36 altogether is about $140 US. The 30 inch would come to about $83. And then usually the best pricing is around the 18 to 30, with the 24 inch being around $60. Well, for this sign here, for the 30 inches, they are charging $126. And that right there is a $40 profit. We have this one here, though it is slightly different. For around their 30 inch, they are charging $132. We have this one here, which is a bit bigger. It is 40 inches, but for their 40 inch one, they are charging $219. This one here for the 32 inch version of their sign, they are charging $207. And I'll just open the drop down so you can see the different prices and just how much these are going for, with their 36 inches one going up to $256. And using my Etsy radar here, I can see that this has sold 17 times this month, and it was just listed 2 months ago. And using T-Launch, you're also able to sell these in multiple different colors, though I don't know if I would sell it really in red. It depends, I guess, on the niche or the type of design that you're creating, but you can sell these in black, red, white, silver, and copper. So you don't have to just go with black. You can offer a bunch of different variations, and you can even charge more if you are doing other colors. If you are interested in selling these, I do have a bit of an older video on these, but not much has changed since then. But if you are interested in learning more about these and maybe an updated tutorial, just let me know in the comments below. This next one is one that I definitely never thought would be a high profit margin product, but I was doing some research on these and they are a silent major profit maker. If you look up custom napkins on Etsy and just take a look at how well these are doing, I'm scrolling down here, you're gonna see tons and tons of pics, bestsellers, popular now tags, with many of these selling hundreds of times a month. Well, you might be wondering, how is a napkin making a high profit margin? Well, this is actually in the quantity is where you are going to get this high profit margin, because they actually sell them in groups of 50 or 100, and people are typically buying these for weddings or big events. So they're not just buying 10. Usually they're not buying 50. A lot of the times they're buying 100, 200 different napkins. And if you take a look at how much people are charging for these, for 100 of these ones, they're charging $45.99. 200, they charge $70.99. It also depends on the different customizations for some of them. And if you go to printify.com, they have these under the white coined napkins. And if we start taking a look at the prices here by going to provider info, you can see that they are selling these for a very good price. For the 100 pieces for the smaller size, those are $28.69. The 50 pieces going for $18.48, with the 100 pieces going for $31 for the larger size of napkin. And for some of these are selling at a really great profit margin when especially you're getting to higher quantities. And because people are ordering these for weddings, large birthday gatherings, they're usually not ordering just 10. They're usually looking at hundreds. So if we take a look at this one here, the larger size, they're charging for $60.68. And we are paying $31. So that's almost a $30 profit if they order 100. But chances are they're ordering even more than 100. So if they order 200, you are getting double that profit. And you'll see a lot in this niche and this product, and again, just around products in general, that you're gonna see a price of $3.75 or just a very low ball price. But if you actually open that listing, it's $3 for a digital file, which no one is getting if they came and clicked into a napkin product here. So we're looking more closely to prices at $46 for the small size. And then if we go up to the bigger size here, $61. But you can see here, that's actually on the low end of how many you could get, because people are ordering a lot of these, up to 500 of them, in which case you can just double up on all your profit, and you're making more profit the more people order. If this one is something that interests you, after you watch this video, you can also go check out, I recently did a full tutorial video on these napkins that you can go ahead and check out. The next one is something I actually haven't ordered myself because I just discovered it this week, and it's actually what inspired the topic of this video. It is wedding signs. Specifically, we have wood ones, but we also have some glass ones. These can also be seating charts, any of these beautiful signs that someone is going to see when people enter a wedding. People are willing to pay more for wedding products, and they want something that looks nice. And something like this is typically pretty hard to get it to be something print on demand, but I found this site recently which will make these so much easier for people to make. And I actually wish I knew about these sooner, because I ordered one of these for my wedding before I knew how to make them, because I tried to figure out how to print on demand them and I couldn't before. But using this site called We Engrave, but we have things like this wooden round sign, again, frosted acrylic, the porch sign. We have foam board signs. We have this rectangular wooden sign, which looks awesome. It has the flower box sign, the clear acrylic sign, and they have the option to add on a wooden easel, which a lot of people are going to want when buying something for their wedding. Because not a lot of people are offering them, because this is a little bit harder of a product to offer, it requires a learning curve. But if you see here, this sign for 24 by 36 is going for $169. We have this one right here, the 24 by 36 plus the stand is going for $138. We have this one here that when you add on the easel, they're charging $205 for this. The downside to this one is you are going to require an extra step to be able to link this to Etsy or to Shopify, and that is using ShipStation, which is a paid service in which it is able to plug in We Engrave over to your Etsy shop as well. So it is an extra step, and it's not something I have tried yet, again, because this is something I recently discovered. But if anyone is very curious about this, drop a comment also in the description, or sorry, not in the description, in the comments below, so I know that there's interest and I can do a full tutorial on this. Another option for this is Inner Circle Prints. Inner Circle Prints does have a monthly fee to be part of them, but scrolling down, they do have the wooden sign. They don't have all the other signs, just the wooden sign with the white print on it. Thing is, I didn't find it the most straightforward, but there are a lot of tutorials and I'm sure the chat support could help, but I just did not find the page here the most straightforward when trying to find out how to add the easel or how to add your design. But I'm sure getting a tutorial, if you prefer to go through inner circle prints, is another option. But personally, I just seem to like the We Engrave and I have a better feeling about it because it has so many other different products that you could offer on top of the wooden easel. Personally, one of my favorites, I have students making money with these, I've made money with these, and these are the woven blankets. Using my Profit Tree Etsy Radar, let's take a look at how these are doing. We have some of these making 200 sales a month, 100 sales a month, 80 sales a month. And when something is a high profit margin product, you don't need to sell as many to make a lot more profit compared to a lower margin product. And what I absolutely love about these is they are already on Printify. So if you go to Printify and you sign in and you go for woven blankets, we are able to print them, print on demand them, even though these are woven. So they don't look like it's something printed. When you actually get a sample, it looks something that's been woven together. And if we open these here and we take a look at the pricing for these, they are very reasonable for the value that these things give off. So if you take a look at this one here, the smallest size is $21.47, with the largest size being $45.30. And we do have to think about shipping as well. These are about pretty much not that bad. $10, I would say average, $10 to $12, depending on how big of the product you're ordering. But yes, just remember for the larger size, the 80 by 60 here, that is $45.30. Yet people are selling these ones. Again, I've already selected the 60 by 80, which is the largest size here, which was $45. Here, it is $167 if you want to buy that. That is a massive markup for a product that's very easy to make because it's already offered on Printify. For even the smallest size, these are going for $89.70, and on Printify, the smallest one was $21.47 plus $10 shipping. We have this bestseller here, which is actually selling a lot less than most woven blankets. They are underpricing for this product, but still with underpricing at the 80 by 60, they're charging $80 for these, but they're also charging shipping. So when you add those together, selling at the 80 by 60, again, this is 80 bucks. So they're charging about 90 bucks for these versus on Printify, you're paying 45 plus $10. So you're paying about $55, $56 for these. And this is still an absolutely great profit for someone who is underpricing a product. And you can see here, this one is selling about 250 times a month and was listed in the last year. And there you go, guys. If you do not want to compete trying to sell a bunch of t-shirts to make a profit, though it is possible, that is what I sell, guys. But I know a lot of people here and just online are looking for higher profit margin products. And these four are the top ones that I could find that have really caught my interest in the last little bit, or ones that I would love to continue selling myself. And if there is any one that you want to see a further tutorial on, again, let me know in the comments below. And I do have videos on most of these on my channel already, but I can also do updated ones if you guys are curious. And if you learned anything new, could you please drop a like and subscribe? That would help me so much. Thank you, guys.